everyone, today we're making zucchini soup and I don't want to waste a lot of time, so let's get right into it. What you need is 1 liter of water with 2 chicken broth blocks. Or you can just buy 1 liter of chicken broth. You'll need pesto, whipped cream, 2 zucchinis, 2 pieces of garlic, and 1 onion. So let's get right to the first step. The first step is cutting the onions and the garlic into small pieces. So let's go and cut this. As you can see, I have now cut the garlic and the onion into small pieces. Now we're gonna put this in a pan with some olive oil. So I'm gonna do that now. See you when I'm done. Oh yeah, and real quick, make sure you use one of these because we're making soup and we don't want to use extra much pans. So use one of these. While we're waiting for the onion and the garlic to get done, we're gonna cut our zucchini in small pieces like this and spool some water over it so we can clean them up. And when you're done with that, add them to the pan. As you can hear, it has started to make a lot of noise. This is when you're gonna add your 1 liter of chicken broth. Put it all in, all the blocks too. Shake it all in. Done. Now you're gonna have to let this boil for around 10 minutes. Our soup is now done boiling. Now you're gonna mix this with a mixer and make it all into one soup. Then we'll add our next ingredients. So let's go do that. As you guys can see, it's now fully mixed. Now we're gonna add our whipped cream and pesto. So you have to add 1 deciliter of whipped cream, just like that. And then some pesto, also around 100 grams. So when you have mixed this in, just stir it and then the soup is done. So that was it for today. If you like this video, please comment down what I should make next, and see you in the next one. Bye!